So far so good until we get to here. And then, oh yeah, crawl, crawl, crawl. Yeah, this is, oh crap, everything's going everywhere. Oh, this is bad, man. It's off. I'm gonna have to stop down here and check it all out. This, oh, that was bad. All right, I'm gonna have to pull over here, check it all out. All right, well, this is about it for this campground here. We gotta start making our way. There is a big winter storm moving into the Four Corners, and I don't want to be trapped here. As you can see down over here, the ranchers, they got their horses out, and they are getting ready to pull all their little Betsies in because of that big winter storm that's coming. They're expecting up to 20 inches of snow up here. Can you believe that? Now, I don't know if you can see way off into the distance over there. That is Hesperia Ski Resort. So, you know, this area does get snow, so we are gonna pack it up. Boy, I'll tell you, this has been incredible here. I got a video done out here. It was peaceful, it was very quiet. I loved it. Just kind of a really pretty area. All the aspen trees, almost all the leaves are off of those now. Still got some pretty aspen trees right there. That's pretty cool. The terrain is a little rocky and rugged. I'm debating if I'm gonna go down that way or if I'm gonna go down a little bit steeper way over here. That road that I have to go here, the camera doesn't do it justice, but it goes and then it gets really steep right there. All right, well, we are gonna get out of here. We have a day and a half before this place turns into a winter wonderland. Now it's time to make some miles today. All right, I get my little Lumulite. I'll tell you what, I've been loving this little guy right here. This thing works out great for light at night. It's so soft. It's just a perfect lighting, especially when I'm editing videos. And it's going up into the dash to get charged up. All right. We're on our way. I took the little steep area. Oh, it is steep. Holy Moses. Good time to do a brake check. And goodbye to that place. That place did me well. That was a nice area. All right, we're on our way. Boy, this is some pretty country here in Colorado. It's beautiful. Well, I didn't get a chance to record it, but we just went through the Four Corners. We went through New Mexico first, and then we are in Arizona now. We are in Arizona! I can't believe it, finally. This is beautiful down here. Yeah, you're kind of close, aren't you? It's such a beautiful day out here today. We are at the Navajo National Monument, United States Department of Interior, National Parks. Oh, look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, look at that. Holy smokes. Well, let's go down here and see if there's a place to stay. That's a bump. Looks like there's a visitor center. And a speed bump. That's a speed dip. Well, let's see what this says here. Sunset View Campground. Well, that's closed. Canyon View Campground. That's closed. Well, the campground's closed. Man, can't get any clearer than that. Well, shoot, I really wanted to check this place out and show you all around, but as you can see, this place is all closed down. You know, it would have been nice if they would have put a close sign up back on the main road, considering it was a 30-mile drive back here. Oh well, I've been noticing that some of the federal lands, places like this, have been closed due to the lockdowns. Not the first place I've seen closed, and I'm sure it probably won't be the last place. All right, let's continue. Well, how y'all doing? I thought I would capture these moments for posterity. We are in the Coconino National Forest. And I gotta tell you what, so let me kind of elate to you if you've never done this before, because I haven't either, what this is like. So what you do is you find a place along the road that says you can pull off, that you enter in the Coconino National Forest, or any place like this. And then you commence with trying to find a place. Now, when you come to a popular place like the Coconino National Forest, don't think you're gonna just pull in and there is going to be plenty of places for you to camp, because they're all taken up. I'm probably about 4 miles back into the Coconino Forest. As you can see me around me right here, It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's where I am parked, and I played with this spot for quite some time trying to figure out how to get level and yet still maintain some kind of sunshine coming in and giving me solar power. There's a campsite right there, a little drive going out there. I think I should be okay, but check out that spot. Oh, and let me show you what I had to do to get level. I didn't buy any of those levelers, and I think I'm gonna have to pick me some up, because this is what we did. I took a couple rocks and some 2x4s and I backed up on top of there to get that baby level. Hey, little Jax, he's out here. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm in the Coconino Forest now. This is where I intended on ending up. I have some stuff. I'm going to pick up some new solar equipment that we're going to be adding to the van, and I am looking forward to doing that, I think. So yeah, this is quite the beautiful area. There is a lot of camp places. I just got tired of looking. So anyway, I drove around for probably, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours, trying to find a plot, trying to find a place to go ahead and camp. You know, and I just finally, you know, I just like, you know, find me a place that I could possibly get some solar and I'm good for a few days. So we're gonna try this out and we're gonna see if this works. Now, one of the things I'm gonna be picking up is gonna be a Victron DC to DC charger. So hopefully that will cure any scenarios like this with the trees blocking the sun. Hopefully I'll be able to charge up my batteries another way. So we're gonna buy one of those, we're gonna give that a try. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to be able to give you my first opinions and thoughts of the Coconino Forest. It is beautiful. I mean, it is seriously beautiful. Look at that sun right back there. Isn't that cool? It'd be cooler if it was on my solar panels. Let me show you around real quick. So the roads coming in here aren't too bad, but they're pretty much about like this. Now, this is kind of like a, I don't know, it's kind of like a volcanic rock. But I'm off the beaten trail. Oh, Jaxie's peeking out right there. And there is a few people there in tents that are camping. But for the most part, there is no one else down in this area. So I don't know if I'm missing out on some of the better spots here or not. I have no idea. It seems like you could drive around for what seems to be forever. And well, I just got tired of driving. It's time to relax now for a little while. Now, it might actually snow here. It could actually snow here on Sunday. And if it does, I'll show it to you. But it'll be gone right away, I hope. Roof racks are holding up extremely well. They are really good. One of my solar panels is dirty too. Look, are they dirty up there? Can't tell. I'll have to climb up there and take a look and see. Tires. Let me tell you right now, these all-terrain tires, boy, I am so happy I have these. These tires are absolutely phenomenal. You know that sand they talk about that if you get into, you could get like buried and stuck in? Well, yesterday I happened to have driven into some of that sand and I almost got stuck. I'm like, all right, I really don't want to have to deploy my traction mats because it was at night, but I'll tell you what, I don't think I would have been able to get out of there without those tires. Those tires are just, they're freaking awesome. I mean, they are so cool. I'll tell you, I don't think I'd want to be doing any of this without those. You watch behind me there, make sure no bear comes out after me. If you see a bear, let me know, okay? I can't believe it, I'm in the Coconino National Forest. It is just gorgeous here. Quiet. I mean, the only thing that I hear is me, but it is just beautifully quiet here. You know, I suppose if you went back further, I just didn't know how far back to go. I'm unfamiliar with this area, and you know, it's just time to kind of settle in a little bit and get familiar. And that's what you really have to do. When you get to an area, you know, you might feel a little uncomfortable, but if you give it a day or two, you'll settle in. Things will work out. You'll start feeling a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more homey. And now that's what I have to do again. All right, powering off right now. I got to get set up. I just wanted to touch base with you since we are currently in the Coconino National Forest. All right, later. Well, I'll tell you what, we left the Coconino Forest. We were up a little high, and they're supposed to get a little bit of snow tonight, so I really didn't know what to do. I only had to come in because we have some stuff to pick up tomorrow. And just looking around the area, I gotta tell you what, that wind is blowing something mighty fierce out there today. Oh, even the track down from the Coconino was just like insane. I thought a couple times we were gonna turn over, but boy, I gotta tell you, what an adventure. So we are going to do a pickup tomorrow, and I'm gonna be really happy to show you what I'm gonna get. And we're gonna do a couple of little upgrades while we're down here. I was gonna order this, but I decided, hey, I'm gonna be driving through there. Why not just stop by and pick it up? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. But this area, from what I understand, has a city ordinance where you're not allowed to park. And I've called the local truck stop. It's a travel center here, and they said for a van, no go. You have to be a semi or nothing else. Now, I am to understand that you can overnight camp at the Cracker Barrel, but if I can just stay here for the night, should be okay. Oh, look, here comes the trains. You can't hardly hear them in here, but boy, I'll tell you what, sure beats being out on the road. So yeah, what I think I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna probably go to Walmart and restock and replenish, and then pick up what I need to pick up tomorrow. And then I think we're going back to the Coconino Forest down by Sedona. Can you see the elk out there? There's a whole herd of elk out there right now.